Going to
We're going to the Willis Tower, to the Sky Deck.
I'm excited.
It's our last day here in Chicago.
It's super cold.
Sunday, February 16th. It's freezing.
Someone left their coffee.
Hey guys, after a 2-hour wait, we finally made it up to the 103rd floor at the Willis Tower for the Sky Deck here in Chicago, downtown Chicago. Caden's excited. Here we are guys, the Chicago Auto Show. Today is February 15th, 2020. It's about 9 p.m. and there's still a lot of people here. It's a prototype Toyota Supra. I do like the color with the carbon fiber number. Prototype Supra.
Only person I know is Chris and you.
Hey guys, we're about to enter Portellos. It's a hot dog restaurant in downtown Chicago because you can't go to Chicago without trying one of the famous hot dogs, right? And it's about 5 degrees here, pretty cold. As you can see, people are kind of like angry. They like to honk at each other all day. It's kind of like being in New York, but not as bad. Anyways, we're about to try these famous hot dogs and we'll let you guys know how it tastes.
Going to do, sir? How's it going? All right. You're going to go straight down. You're going to order Italian beef dipped with sweet peppers, and you're going to pick that up to the left, and you guys can sit wherever you like.
Awesome.
Welcome to Portillo's.
Thank you so much.
All
Our
right,
first
thank
time in
you.
Chicago.
All right. Okay, hope so too. All right, see you guys later.
See ya.
Check out the YouTube channel, S1Built.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
It's getting cold. Saturday morning, February 15th, 2020. We are leaving our hotel in Chicago, headed towards Addison, Illinois to Il Garage. Wanted to come show some love to these guys. They're not open on Saturdays, but they are actually coming out there just to meet up with us, which is a pretty awesome thing for
Use
them
the
to do.
left 2 lanes to turn sharply left onto the I-90
We'll
East
come back
ramp.
and show you guys around in their shop.
Hey, how you doing?
Armando.
Son, how are you? Yeah, nice to meet you.
Hi,
My wife,
Armando.
my
Hi,
name.
Lynn. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
My
you.
son, Caden.
You guys in town for Valentine's Day weekend, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was also her birthday. So
Okay.
We wanted to do
I just
something.
celebrated her
we wanted to,
birthday.
like,
You guys have family out in Chicago, or?
No,
we don't. We don't know
our
anything
first
like
time
that.
here.
Oh, is it? Oh, you guys
Yeah.
should come in the summertime.
Yeah.
Hey, we
Well,
go to
So much nicer. I mean, were you guys downtown yesterday, or?
yeah, we stayed down. We were staying in downtown.
Okay.
Right
How long
off
you guys
of
in town till?
North Clark. Till tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night?
Yeah,
Okay.
we've been here since Thursday morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little busy.
Yeah,
'cause of
we-
All-Star Weekend.
Oh, yeah,
that's
that's
right.
right,
Yeah, we
that's
didn't know
right.
that. Yeah.
So, but yeah.
How's business?
Good, good, very
That's,
good.
that's
Yeah.
awesome. Awesome. Well, you know what? Let's see who's open. Let's.
Mhm.
Let's go show some love to some of these shops.
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, we appreciate you coming in on your day
Yeah,
off.
definitely.
Oh no, yeah. I mean, you know, Monday through Friday, I got little ones, so.
Yeah,
Oh, you got
you
I
got
mean, we used to.
we can relate to that.
Yeah, I mean, we used to work Monday through Saturday. You guys want donuts? I got donuts and stuff. You guys-
We just had some bagels.
You want a donut or anything? You want a donut?
No?
Sure.
Yeah, he just had a bagel in the
Oh, okay. You know, I do all the electrical stuff. We do a lot of, obviously, a lot of engine rebuilds, performance engine rebuilds. We do a lot of tuning, ECU tuning. We work with, you know, AM, Haltech, all the other regional companies. Like this is kind of almost a perfect example of what we do. You know, fuel system, fuel setup, hot pipe, you know, hot piping, cold piping,
Wow.
you know, et cetera, et cetera.
Look
This
at
one we're
that.
actually almost finished up with.
Oh, okay.
And then we did all the safety stuff for NHRA and everything for the car.
Yeah.
So,
Nice, nice.
and then this right over here is our actual, it's rewrapped. It's our rewrapped shop car. It's dirty, dusty. It hasn't moved.
So
in months.
which one is the one that was in this
This
one,
is
right?
the one, and it's
Okay.
rewrapped.
Okay.
So it looks a lot different now.
Oh wow. So that's the one that was on that.
Yeah, we rewrapped it it's been rewrapped like 3-4 times. We change
Yeah,
it every year or two. But yeah,
Very nice.
so it's all, you know. Well,
Do you guys do the wrapping here too? or-
No, that's something. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean this is actually my original car.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
And you see when it's your own.
Yeah.
You know, exactly. Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw you guys are.
It's always on the back burner.
You're trying to get all those up by 2020, right? All the cars, they all are.
It ain't gonna happen. It's got so many, like,
Yeah.
once we get this, now more and more people want us to do
Yeah.
that. So.
Show you guys the nice Hondas back here and at Il Garage once
So are you
again.
guys doing install work too? Is that what you're doing?
We do, but we don't. We mostly like our friends, but.
So yeah, stuff like this is basically a lot of what we do. I mean,
It's a
like, you
little
know, front wheel
empty
drive
today as
or
far as
Honda.
people wise, only because they are closed on weekends. Today is Saturday.
Like all this
But the owner was willing to meet us out here on his day off, which is amazing. Seems like a very, very nice guy, very humble.
Perfect example of what
Glad we made it out here to meet him in person, check out his shop in person, and all the stuff that he has to offer. Once again, follow them on IG at Il
a
Garage.
lot of streetcar stuff. I do have one
Located in
all-
Addison,
well,
Illinois.
we've done one all
All the time about eating.
She loves to eat.
And where do we need to go today?
Illuminati's.
Illuminati's it is. Driving around downtown Chicago and along the beach, and look at the traffic here. It's cray rush hour. About 5 o'clock.
Michigan Lake?
Michigan Lake, Lake Michigan. 5 o'clock rush hour traffic. Crazy. Getting ready to go on the Wendella Boat Tour. Touring off of the Chicago River. So you guys see the Trump Tower there. It's gonna be a beautiful tour. Can't wait.
The fair lasted for 6 months, 27 million people came, and it was just roughly half the population of the United States of America in the profit. So we decided to do it all over again in 1933 with a fair called the Century of Progress. That was held on what's now known as the museum campus, which is part of Grant Park. And it's right behind the Shedd Aquarium and Field Museum, the Adler Planetarium, and Soldier Field. Soldier Field is where the right there as well. So it's actually one of the museums. Also part of Grant Park is Art Museum in Chicago. It's one of the top 10 art museums in the world. The largest collections of impressionist art are the largest collection of impressionist art outside of Paris. Now we're going to go along here to Raptor Drive, East Raptor Drive, and there's Lower East Raptor Drive, and there's Lower East Raptor Drive. There's also
Hey guys, we're up here on top of the Ferris wheel at the Navy Pier in Chicago. Over here in the backdrop is the whole downtown Chicago, and frozen waters on either sides, and then the Navy Pier below us. Also a big ship actually. I don't know if you guys can see it. But so far, it's been one amazing experience. It's definitely something we don't get to see every day in Florida at all. We don't experience this type of weather. It's been about 2 degrees outside and with a lot of snow. So beautiful, very cold, but all well worth it. It's been an amazing experience so far. Hey guys, so we are currently leaving Chicago right now, heading towards Palatine, Illinois. I hope I pronounced that right. We're actually going to check out Boosty Built's EM1 all-wheel drive. You know, just to go and show him some love, check out and see how his build is. You know, it doesn't matter what build or what kit you use. It doesn't have to be ours. You know, we just like to show some love to any Honda all-wheel drive, you know, anyone in the community with the Honda all-wheel drive. So we'll be back to show you guys what he's got. Look at the street we're driving on in Chicago, guys. Driving parallel with the train track right above us. It's pretty cool. Snow on either side. There goes a train.
Look at the sparks.
Woo.
That's pretty cool, right?
That was
Pretty cool.
awesome. I hear talking in there.
Some Hondas out there. There's X over here. Kaden, don't play with us. Kaden, come on, buddy.
Awesome though.
American flag.
So you guys ready to check out the auto show, huh?
Yeah, you gotta get
Hi,
How's it going?
Mylin. Nice
John.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, we're all offending you guys' stuff, so going on, we'll drive.
Which one?
Well, mine's already out.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah. So this is the car I was telling you about.
Oh.
I had done the all-wheel drive swap before, like, you and Hub City and all that came out, so.
That's awesome though. That's good, man.
Yeah, so these are wagon trailing arms that we cut and
Yeah.
rewelded, so.
Yeah, that's how we used to do it like a long time ago. And it was like, something like a challenge, like, hey, you can't. I'm like, all right, we'll just figure it out.
Yeah, I mean, I just didn't like how when you do that, the,
Back at 26.
yeah, the control arm sits at a stupid angle, and the struts is at a stupid angle, so. I use the car step spherical top hat.
Yeah.
And it's like, you see it from here, it's sitting a little bit over, so it kind of fixed that.
Yeah,
And then,
and that was the thing when we were doing our gas one.
yeah.
People was like, wow, how come we didn't do the balance? And I'm like, look at all these people that.
Yeah,
And they-
exactly, I seen that. I'll raise it up so you can see the top. I
That's
mean,
awesome, though, man. That's good, though.
we still have the jig, and I still have a set of wagon arms, just, but it used to be on block drag, it's so violent.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's really violent, so I'm trying to maybe hopefully get something a little softer, like a strange, something.
So we are at Boosty Built in Palatine, Illinois. There's Boosty Built over there talking with Son, S1Built.
Great guy, he's awesome.
There's
Contact
CRX.
us. Contact us.
I think that's a TSX motor or something like that in there.
All-wheel drive, turbo, and the blow-up.
And a couple of cars they have in the shop. That's the EM1 all-wheel drive that they have. I believe this car was right about 1200 horsepower, so I think they're doing a motor swap currently. So wagon drive shaft, diff. Boosty Built. Boosty Built. Well, thank you guys for having us.
Yeah.
Glad we were able to
Thanks for coming,
stop by.
guys, for coming.
Appreciate it.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
everything.
Nice to meet all you guys.
Nice meeting
Nice meeting you.
guys.
Yeah. Bye. Let us know if you need any help. We're here to
Yeah,
help.
thank
Even
you.
if you don't purchase our
Whatever.
products, we still, if we have answers, you know,
We appreciate all your
you
help.
know how to reach out to us.
Oh, no, it's
Yeah.
great though. No, it's really, I mean, I'm glad that you hit me up, you know.
Yeah, like I
Yeah.
said, it was perfect. I don't know who posted the Chicago skyline, but like,
He did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and like I
Yeah.
said, they're the KSB performance.
Chicago's beautiful, by the way.
Yeah, just not a win. I hate the winter here.
Yeah.
But it's a good experience for us. 'Cause
It's cool for race cars because we have time to work on the cars.
Yeah.
But my feet are cold still.
Yeah.
Cars take forever to warm up. You gotta go start them early.
All right.
Yep. You guys, man, don't give up, man. Just keep doing
Yeah,
it.
keep pushing.
Yeah.
Don't wait. Don't try to like instant gratification.
Yeah.
Just keep
Don't
working
feel
on it.
discouraged.
Yeah.
At the Midway Chicago Airport, getting ready to fly back to Tampa, Florida. It's been an awesome trip. Chicago is a beautiful city. Did a lot of things on this trip. Ate so much food. And now the trip has come to an end. Getting ready to board the plane to go back home.
Oop, there it is, touchdown.
Always eating.
Very true. But anyways, just want to say thank you guys again for tuning back into our channel and watching our Chicago content. We are back home now and back on the grind. I want to say a special thank you to Il Garage as well as Boosty Built for the opportunity to meet you guys in person. You guys are awesome people. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you ever need any help with your builds, your all-wheel drive builds. And once again, I just want to say we appreciate all the love and support from everyone. Thank you.